What is up? It's you know who, your boy Coach Koni here, ready to guide you through your 3-minute upper body warm-up routine. Now, we have a total of 4 exercises, all 30 seconds each, with one goal: to activate and fire up all those upper body muscle groups that you need to demolish and conquer your upper body K4Q workout. Now, if you are with me and you are ready like spaghetti, can I get a woo woo on 3? 1, 2, 3, woo woo. Let the games begin. Take your feet beyond your hips. Go ahead and reach over to your right. Now take it to your left. Take it to your right. Let's do it again to your left, all right? I want you to keep this flow. Keep this pattern, right? Now, you might go slower than me, faster than me, completely up to you. But what I'm looking for is a nice upright stance and a nice strong reach, all right? Now, you might notice your core start to fire up, shoulders starting to loosen up. Yes, and that is the goal of this specific exercise, to get our upper body muscle groups ready to go. Here we go. We got one more. Lovely. Bring your feet underneath your hips, okay? Open up your hands nice and wide. Bring it above head and back to center. Same thing. It's wide, it's up, and back down to center. All right, now, what we're doing here is really focus on a little shoulder mobility, all right? Chest openers obviously loosens up all of our chest muscles, yeah? And we're taking our time working our arms to full range of motion, all right? Give me one more. It's wide, it's up, it's down, yes, all right? Now let's walk it out. We're gonna take it to 4 push-ups, right? Give me 1 push-up, lower your chest, push off the ground. Same thing, lower, push. Now you can drop your knees on the ground if need be. If not, extend, and let's go get it, baby. You walk it back to center. We're gonna do that one more time, baby. Here we go. Upper body, we coming for you. Here we go, walk it all the way out. Here's 4 push-ups, ready, go. 1, push off the ground, hands underneath your shoulders for 2. Toes dug into the ground for 3. Give me 1 more for 4. Last and final, elbows on the ground. Toes dug into the floor, feet hip width. Let's go ahead and reach away from our body with our right arm. Now extend your left, all right? Now extend your right, all right? You're gonna feel this in your shoulders. You're gonna feel the activation in your abdominals. It is normal, all right? But the idea here is to be able to reach while keeping your chest down. The idea of reaching allows us to really focus on a little bit of shoulder mobility while keeping our core engaged. Give me 1 more reach to home, yeah? 1 more and shake, hit, out. And folks, just like that, that's your 3-minute upper body warm-up routine. Let's go tackle this upper body nice and strong. Woo, woo on 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo, woo.